श्री भजन रहस्य ठाकुर जी की भजन रहस्य कथा हम लोग श्रवण कर रहे हैं। सप्तम जाम साधन एक कथा हम लोग श्रवण करें। यहाँ पर एक प्रबंध भाव की कथा हम श्रवण कर रहे हैं। प्रदोषकालीन भजन प्रलम्ब गोपियाँ कृष्ण की जनुध्वनि श्रवण कर सावर जंगम तथा सावर जंगम का धर्म प्राप्त कर लेते हैं। यह श्रीमद् भागवत में चलने वाले ये कहते हैं स्थिर हो जाते और जो एक चलने वाले नहीं है।
Hare Krishna, am I audible to you? So after hearing, we were hearing the 7th Yam Sadhan. So what happens after hearing the sounds of Govind's Venu? The things which is stable, they moving on, started moving on, and the things which are moving on, they stunt. Wind sound आ रहा है. So this is Bhajan Rasa text number 6 and the Shrimad Bhagavatam Shlok 10 Canto 21 chapter and the 19 Shlok. So one Sakhi speaking to another Sakhi, "Hey Sakhi, our Shyam Sundar." So O Sakhi, the elegance and the charm of the two brothers, our Shyam Sundar and Gaur Sundar Balram, are quite unique and wonderful. When Shyam Sundar, together with his cowherd friends, leads the cow from the one forest to another by sweetly playing a melody on his venu. So he binds the top of his turban with the Niryoga rope, which is used for binding the legs of calves. When Krishna used to go for cow herding from one forest to another forest, so at that time the Krishna's alladpan. So here the form of Krishna's roop is describing of Krishna here. Just like the village Gwalwal, in the same way, Krishna on his turban, Niryoga rope. So he tied a rope on his turban, just like the village people. And the second is, so which is the rope which is used for winding the legs of the cows. At that time, what they used to do with that rope? So they used to tie the rope legs of the cow, because some cows, they are very restless. They used to kick and they used to move on here and there. That's why Gwal log, the Gwal cowherd's boy, so they tied the ropes of the legs of cows with the little ropes. Hindi broadcast is available. You go to My Dear Mouse Gurudev page and you will find there. So there are big ropes which is tying for the cow. So they used to bind on their head, on his head, and the rope which is for using for the tying for the cow legs. So they have put on their shoulder. They kept on his shoulder. Hindi broadcast is available. Please check. So seeing this beautiful, adorable form and hearing the sounds of the Venu, all the moving living entities such as animals and birds as well as rivers, and what to speak about human beings, becomes inert like a stone. They become inert like a stone. So all the living entities, they becomes like dead, just like a stone. You check, it's showing now. Please check, it's showing now. And aesthetic symptoms like heropulations and displayed in non-moving entities such as trees. Though the trees who are stunned, they are starting moving. So the tears are falling from the eyes of trees, and the trees get so much trembling, roams. So, and aesthetic symptoms like heropulation, displaying movement. Sakhi, how can I describe the magical sound of that flute? So very nice explanation is here also. This. So the beautiful woman of Braj, being filled with Mahabhav, reflects all the moving and non-moving entities of Vrindavan are blessed. Their lives are successful because regardless of their form, they have attained the touch of Krishna's lotus feet. So this is the speciality in staying in Vrindavan. The person who are staying in Vrindavan, they are not an ordinary personality. Raghunath Das Goswami, he was describing also the person who are staying in the Vrindavan or who are living in Vrindavan, they are not an ordinary personality. They never got this place after performing any sadhan. Maybe you can understand they are the eternal associates of Krishna. They used to live like ordinary persons. Some are staying like a tree, some are staying like bird and animals. But actually, they all are the eternal associates of Krishna, and they are remembering the pastimes of Krishna. Just like Jad Bharat Maharaj story we have already heard. Mahabhagavad, Bharat Maharaj, after getting the deer body, again he got the human body. Bharat Maharaj got 3 births. In first birth he was king, so he gave up all the kingdoms and went to forest and staying at the bank of river, and in the cave he was performing bhajan. And then because he got so much attached with the deer, that's why he became, in next birth he became deer. And next birth and the third birth he became as the Jad Bharat. He got the birth in the form of Jad Bharat. So when he came into the form of Jad Bharat, so So that Mahabhagavad Jadbharat, he knew all of pastime of all of his three births. That's why he was keep quiet, and people were thinking he is fool, he is just stunned, he is just mic personality. But Uttam Mahabhagavat, Bharat Maharaj, so he was remembering the pastime, his pastime. So he, when here it is also saying, so the person who are staying the Vrindavan, the living entities, they are Uttam Mahabhagavat. So who can stay in Vrindavan even except Uttam Mahabhagavat? They always live in their intoxication. So that's why it is a specialty in staying in Vrindavan. So somehow we can take the darshan of this kinds of Mahapurush. Maybe they are staying in the birds and animals, maybe they are staying in the form of trees. So knowingly and unknowingly we are taking the darshan of that peoples, that persons. So that's why this is the speciality, this is that it's staying in Vrindavan. So everybody prays to resides in Vrindavan. Brahma and other devtas, they used to do prayers a lot before the feet, before the Bhagwan. How can I get the recitements and the statement in Vrindavan? How can I stay in Vrindavan? So Braj Gopiyas are Mahabhagavatis. How they are feeling himself, pretending himself very humble. This is the speciality of Mahabhagavat. So as the Vrajramnis speak, the pastime of Krishna is taking the cows to graze in the forest, and the melodious sounds of his Venu manifested in their hearts. Now they became completely immersed in ecstatic raptures, as if seeing Krishna's directly. So overwhelmed with prem, they says, "Look, Sakhi, how sweet are the movements of Shyam Sundar, the best of dancer, as he gracefully roams from one forest to another." So now Gopiyas are staying at their home, and they are staying in a group, staying in their groups. So they are staying in their like-minded group. So they are sitting at home. So they are discussing each other. Even some gopis were performing the bhajan alone. It is mentioned in the scriptures. There are many kinds of gopis staying in Vrindavan. Some are staying in the groups, some are staying alone. So the who are staying in the groups and performing bhajan in the groups and remembering the pastime of Krishna, so that is called Jyotiki. And some gopis who are performing bhajan alone, or they are remembering the pastime alone, and why they are transcendentalized, they are remembering the pastimes of Krishna and remembering Krishna's Rupa Madhuri, Venu Madhuri, Leela Madhuri, and remembering that. So they are Ayojjuti, Patani. So that's why here it is saying, "Hey Sakhi, how beautiful." The sweet sound of his flute causes of all moving and non-moving living entities to become overwhelmed with the ecstasy of prem, and they visibly manifest Ashta-sattvic transformation. How beautiful is describing here. And moreover they were saying, the gopis say, "Niryoga pasa kritya lakshanayor vichitram." Aho, what a beautiful sight are the two brothers, Ram and Krishna. as they walk into the forest wearing the Niryoga and Pasa on their bodies.
कहाँ लिखा है और पास का है।
One is Niryog and one is Pas. What is Niryog?
याद है जो लंबी रस्सी
So, which is the long rope, that is Niryog. And Pasa, sometimes
गायों की गाय लंबी
for tying the cow with the long rope,
क्योंकि कुछ गाय
because some cows are very restless, they move here and there.
जो है एक लंबी रस्सी लेकर के एक स्थान पर बांध दिया
So by the long rope, some people used to tie the cows so that maybe they cannot move here and there. And so the long rope is called Niryog. And the pas means short rope. No, that is which is a short rope for tying the legs of the cow, that is called pas. So that is used only at the time of taking milk from the cows.
कृष्ण के कैसे अल्लाहपन देश
So while the cows are being milked with a rope,
सुंदर दिखाई दे रहे गायों को दोहन करते समय चंचल
while the cows are being milked with a rope, their restless calves are tied before them to a post in the ground. In this way, their mothers can see them. This rope is called Niryog. Another rope, Pasa, binds the two hind legs of a restless cow to keep her calm while being milked. Pas, Pas Niryog. You noted down?
कृष्ण जिस निर्जोग को पास का व्यवहार करते हैं वो पीले रंग के
So Krishna ties the Niryog
कोमल
to the top of his turban and lets the pas hang from his shoulder on to his chest.
और उनके दोनों अंतिम सिरों पर मुक्ता की झालर में ऊंची ऊंची जो वर्णन हो रहा है देखो
So it is describing here
कैसे सुंदर
that how the pas, the short rope, is looking like.
रश्मि पेड़ के द्वारा वो बना हुआ है बहुत सुंदर पंक्ति है इससे कुछ ये हो गया बड़े सख्त गाय की पैर में कहीं लग नहीं
So that short rope is very soft. Maybe if they tie the cow legs of cows, so maybe it is not hurt. That's why Brajvasi are so much think about their cows. Maybe they cannot hurt.
पीले रंग के
So that's why
पक्के कोमल तंतु से बना होता
which is being
होता है और उन
prepared by the yellow colors, very soft thread.
कृष्ण उन कृष्ण अन्य गोपियों की भांति अपने पाग के ऊपर निर्जोग बांध लेते तथा पास को अपने
So the Nryog and pas used by Shri Krishna are made of soft yellow threads of jute, tied at their end with cluster of pearls.
छोटा वाला जो है
So the short rope he has hang on his shoulder, and the long rope he has tied on his turban.
कितना सुंदर बना
How beautiful is describing there. So the Paratpa Parvat to Bhagwan Shri Krishna, who is the Anant Koti Vishwa Brahmand master, and he is just performing a leela like a ordinary Gopabalak. So how he has hang the rope on his shoulder.
इसी के कहा जाता है
And this is called Madhurya.
हैं? मधुरता
This is called the Madhurta, Madhurya.
है लीला आदि
This is called the Lolik Narvat Leela.
वो जो सुंदर कृष्ण की रूप माधुर्य
So who can describe this beautiful form of Krishna?
मनोरम होता है कि कोई भी उनका भूवेश देखकर दुख हुए बिना नहीं रह सकता है ब्रह्मवती गोपरमणिया उस मनोहर देश को देखकर विस्मित हो जाए
So
वो रूप कैसे सुंदर है
seeing the beautiful charm of Govind, Gopiya got unconscious. So what kind of form Krishna has?
साधारण
We cannot describe that. Generally, people what they want to see. If we go to the temple,
जिस मंदिर में
so
ठाकुर जी की अत्यंत सबसे कीमती वस्त्र अलंकार के द्वारा सजाया जाता है,
so in that temples, Thakurji is decorated with so many beautiful stuff. So we used to sit there and meditate upon Thakurji.
माला चढ़ा के
We used to offer garlands. We used to offer prasad. We used to offer money, and we used to say how beautiful Thakurji is looking today.
समझते क्या है?
So what is this? That all? This is Aishwarya Madhurya Bhakti.
माधुर्य मार्ग की भक्त जो होते हैं
Madhurya Bhavs Bhakt,
वो उनके उसमें पसंद नहीं
they don't like this.
है। माधुर्य मार्ग की भक्त होते
So
हैं
who are the Madhurya Bhav Bhakt?
लौकिक
They always treat with Krishna like a lokic, like a ordinary person, like a Gwal boy, cowherd's boy.
प्रभुवती गोब्रमणिया उस मनोहर
So sees that beautiful form of Krishna, gopis filled up with prem and remains unconscious.
कल्पना करके ठाकुर जी के सजा देते हैं।
Sometimes we just maybe some imagine something, and we used to decorate Thakurji at our temple. That Thakurji's ornaments will be like this, his dress like this. But actually,
गोविंद की सुंदर
so the beautiful form of Govind.
निरुपेर माधुरी एक कौन दुबाई त्रिभुवन मैंने कृष्ण के सौंदर्य
So who can describe the Krishna's Saundarya Madhurya?
वो अनंत को विश्व ब्रह्मांड के सौंदर्य माधुरी भी
So Krishna has a beautiful, adorable form.
गोविंद की तो यही वैशिष्ट्य है।
This is the Vaishishta
अलंकार के द्वारा
of Govind.
भगवान की सौंदर्य माधुरी
So Bhagwan's beautifulness is never
अलंकार भी
described by the ornaments.
धन्य मानते हैं।
So if we put some ornaments on the body of Govind, so that ornaments thinks self very fortunate. It thinks we are very fortunate that we are on the body of Krishna. So sometimes we have some mic imagination, mic thoughts in our minds that we used to put something on Radhaji's head, and we used to put something on Radhaji's face and some Krishna's face. This is not. I have seen in Mathura the pujari. So he used to put some lipstick on the lips, something on the chips, something on the cheeks. And when I see in the foreign countries, so in the foreign countries, I think they are the foolish people. They decorated Thakurji half naked. And you have Radhaji is adorable, and you have decorated Radhaji yourself. You are fool. They are fool. They think, oh, Radhaji look like our ourself, and being us like half naked. Radhaji is taking shower, taking bath in the swimming pool. That's why we have seen so many things, these kinds of things in the foreign countries, and they decorate it like this in the foreign countries. This is foolishness, all stupid nonsense. How you can half naked? So they have decorated Radhaji half naked. They are committing offense. They are thinking Radhaji is just an ordinary personality. It's not. It is nonsense. It is described the 16 Shringar of Radhaji in scriptures. How beautiful the dress should be decorated of Radhaji. Whenever Radhaji takes bath, and at Radha Kund when she takes bath, so she also put on beautiful clothes when she is taking bath in the Radha Kund. So in the transcendental world, this is not kind of this stupidity there. They never been like half naked. This is just imaginary. So that's why in this world the people they decorated Thakurji just by their imagination. Just like we are, so they decorate Thakurji in the same way. But it is not like that. So that's why it is saying,
को भी देखकर
so seeing that beautiful form of Krishna, the Prem Ramanis gopis, they became unconscious.
राधा कुंड में स्नान
When Shrimati Radhika and other gopis take the bath into the Radha Kund, so they used to put on very
प्रकार के अश्लील अश्लीलता
very ashlilta,
अश्लील
ashlil, nudeness. You cannot see anything
ऐसी वस्तु नहीं है
bad there. Love is not like bad things. We even today we have seen that people are doing stupidity, nonsense things.
अपने एक सीमा पर
Love has its own limitations.
माधुर्यता है
There is madhurita,
अपने
but it has their limitations, dignity.
जैसे समुद्र
Just like the ocean,
तल तरंग होने पर भी
they have so much being, they have so much high tides and low tides, but it is always remains in his limitation, his dignity. Just like big waves are coming, and we used to see that, oh, it will drown all the cities, but after some times they come to the bank and go back.
इसके शास्त्र में कहा
So that's why in the scriptures,
समुद्र के भांति
love has limitation like the ocean.
मर्यादा नहीं इसलिए यहाँ पर भी कहते जा रहे हैं प्रेमवती गोपियों की उस मनोहर देश को देखकर इसलिए सुंदर आहा कितने सुंदर है इससे हमारी श्लोक
So the Braj Ramaniyas, they became very unconscious after seeing the beautiful ness of Govind. So our Raghunath Das Goswami is describing there.
वृंदावन जो है
Vrindavan,
की महिमा क्या है
what is the glory of Vrindavan?
वृंदावन की महिमा किस लिए है बोले गिरिराज गोवर्धन वृंदावन
So Vrindavan's glory is with.
वृंदावन की महिमा तो उसी की
So Vrindavan's glory is described by the Govardhan. We cannot see Giriraj Govardhan because it is going down day by day. But actually, Giriraj Govardhan,
इतने ऊंची जो है गुरुदेव का देखिए
it had a beautiful, it had so long,
छाया मथुरा तक पहुंच जाती
it had so long height, it was a mountain so high that the shadow of the Giriraj Govardhan covered the Mathura.
है साधारण नहीं
Giriraj Govardhan mountain is not ordinary.
साक्षात रूप में वृंदावन जो वृंदावनेश्वरी श्रीमती राधे की वो मानो मुकुट के रूप में ही
So it is just like situated in the Govardhan, like a crown of Radharani's. Just like Maharani used to have crowns on their head, in the same way Giriraj Govardhan is just like a crown of Srimati Radhika Rani. How beautiful is that?
सुरम्योपि तस्लीमान श्री गोवर्धन हैं साक्षात गिरिराज गोवर्धन के द्वारा
So Giriraj Govardhan, so Vrindavan is glorified by Govardhan. How beautiful Vrindavan has so much beautifulness.
गिरिराज गोवर्धन और उससे श्रेष्ठ
So Giriraj Govardhan is greater than Vrindavan, and Radha Kund is greater than Govardhan.
मुकुंद के जो है अत्यंत प्राणप्रिय मुकुंद के जो प्राण स्वरूप श्री राधा
Who are the life of Mukund?
स्वयं राधा जी
Radha Kund is not ordinary things.
द्रवीभूत होकर के राधा कुंड की जल के रूप में
So Radha ji, when melted in the love of Krishna, then she became the Radha Kund.
राधा कुंड की
Maybe there are many kinds of stories or katha in the Puranas
है ये ब्रजवास के
that
आने के पश्चात
that after killing the Vrajvasis, Gopis was moving here and there. Krishna said, "What happened?"
वो हत्या कर दिया
So she said that you have killed the cow.
तो नमो ब्रह्मण्य
So we used to serve the cow, and you have killed the cow.
मैं गोविंदाय नमो अरे गो ब्राह्मण के मैं पालन करने वाला हूं
So Krishna said, I do the nourishment of cows. So Gopi said, you have forgotten.
अरे वो
Hey Moor, hey foolish, you have forgotten. So कौन आया था?
है उसको मारा कि नहीं कृष्ण बोले तो वो सुनता
So there was a demon who got the form of the cow, and you killed him. So Gopi said, maybe he was demons or something because he got the cow's body, but still you killed him. That's why you did the offense into the feet of cows. That's why we cannot stay with you. Otherwise we will get the sin like you did.
अच्छा कृष्ण
Krishna said, okay, now what to do? How can I be removed from, how can I be free from all these kinds of sinful activity?
बोले एक काम करो
So Gopi said, do one
सारे
thing,
तीर्थ में जाओ
take
स्नान
the,
करो
take the bath on all kinds of
कृष्ण बोले
pilgrimage.
मेरे
Krishna
नाम है
said,
तीर्थपद
my name is
नाम
Tirthapat.
क्या है जिनकी चरण कमल में समस्त तीर्थ विराजमान
Krishna's name is Tirthapat because all kinds of pilgrimage stays in the feet of Krishna. That's why his name is
अरे
Tirthapada.
जिनके नाम लेते ही समस्त पाप नष्ट हो
Are after taking whose name all kinds of sinful activities will go away.
तत्रैव गंगा जमुना च वेणी सरस गोदावरी सरस्वती च सर्वाणि तीर्थानि वसन्ति तत्र यत्र अच्युत उदार कृत कथा कितना सुंदर श्लोक है
How beautiful this shloka is. Everybody should recite this shloka. Learn this shloka.
कितने सुंदर श्लोक जत्रैव गंगा
Yatraiva Ganga,
जहाँ पर उदार चरित गोविंद के अच्युत के कथा होती है
where the Udar Charitra Govind's character is described, there
जमुना
Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, Beni, Sindhu, Kaveri,
यहाँ तक कि
all
समस्त
kinds of pilgrimage
आप
spontaneously take place there.
यही तो गोविंद विचार कर रहे हैं
This is Govind thinking that I am Bhagwan,
और देखो गोपियाँ कैसे हमें कर रहे हैं
and Gopis are saying,
तुम्हारे सब पाप लगे
now you have got sin because you killed the cow.
रसिक मोहन
Because he was doing the human leela, so Rasik, he was taking the relishing the ras,
का को जो है अंदर
so
में ही
he hid his bhagavata, his opulence inside himself.
अपनी जो भगवत्ता जो है सर्वज्ञता जो है और मुग्धता की क्या
So-
अपने आप ही
So he hid in the Sarvagita and Mugdata himself. So Govind said, okay,
स्नान करने के जाए
so where should I go to leave Braj to take bath?
नहीं अपने एक
So now I will make my own kund. So what Krishna did,
छड़ी के द्वारा
by his ankle,
क्या बोलते हैं
ankle,
पाशनी
Pashni,
किसको कहा जाता है
AD, you know, ankle.
अथवा कहा जाता है बंसी के द्वारा ऐसी भी
So maybe by his flute
गड्ढा खोद
or by his ankle, he dig a pothole.
और गड्ढा होने के साथ ही साथ
And he,
उसमें क्या की
after digging the pothole, he was reminding all kinds of teeth and rivers,
देखो वो
the waters of that,
आदि पवित्र नदी आदि
the pious rivers.
अपने अपने स्वरूप परिचय देकर गोपियों के
So
सामने
they were defining their self, their introduction, giving the introduction to before the gopis, all the pilgrimage and rivers,
सोने के घड़े में
they
ऐसे नहीं
in beautiful golden pitcher,
भाई गोविंद की सेवा है
because they are going to serve Govind. So they took the golden pitcher.
ना जाने कैसे कैसे सुंदर हो हैं भाई वो समस्त तीर्थ आदि है
Because all that kinds of pilgrimage, seventh oceans, water, all the oceans took a form, and
समस्त
all the rivers took their forms, their mool swarup, their original form,
मुक्तमान
and they became their form in the form and in giving their introduction and putting the water in that kunda. And gopis are saying, what are they saying? We have never seen this. So they were giving the introduction that time.
कृष्ण ने क्या की
What Krishna did,
उसमें गोविंद सर अभी तो देखो ये सब तीर्थ है कि नहीं
so gopis now Krishna said, look, these all are tirthas, pilgrimages here, na? Then Krishna took bath in that kund. After taking the bath in that kund, so Krishna said, gopis, now I have become pure.
पवित्र हो गया ठीक है
So Gopi said, okay, now you have become pure.
वर्ष से
But why the touches you of air, now we have become impure, apavitra. So how we can, because you killed the cow, so you became pious now after taking the shower in that all kinds of pure water. But now we have to take bath also. Krishna said, okay, you can take bath in our kund. Why are you worrying? If you think that you are sinful, became sinful, now you can take shower, take bath in my kund.
मैं स्नान कर लूं
So Gopi said, "Hut, who will take the bath in your kund?
हालांकि कुंड
You are the blackish. We won't take bath in your kund." So what Radhaji did?
अपने
Kangan, bangle.
कंगन कुंड है ना
So
राधा कुंड के बीच
Radhaji herself took her bangles
राधा जी अपने
and dig up potholes.
के द्वारा ऐसे सुंदर वो हो गया,
Potholes.
वैसे हो गया बिल्कुल।
So it is just like round, just like a bangle shape is there.
अपने पत्नी के द्वारा जो
So Krishna dig the potholes by his flute or by his ankle. That why it becomes zigzag way, teda. And but Radhaji make that potholes by his bangle, so that why it is became round. So Radhaji thought, okay, now we will go to Mansi Ganga and we will take water from there. So Radhaji with all his sakhis, she went to Mansi Ganga. So Tapta Kanchan Gaurangi Shrimati Radhika and her sakhis, they are the reflection of Radhaji. How just like Radhaji is so beautiful, in the same way all the expansion of Radhaji are so beautiful. They all are the Kai view of Radhaji. All the sakhis, they got the beautiful dress and with many kinds of ornaments they put on, and they started moving towards Mansi Ganga for carrying water. So after at the time what happened, all the pilgrimage, they were doing the stuti of in the feet of Radharani. Hey Radharani, please give us some service. Radhi said, no, we won't give you any seva. We will go to Manasi Ganga. So all the pilgrimage, they have stopped the way of Radhaji. So they did the hunger strike there. Hey Radhaji, if you won't take our service, then we will give up our life here. So all the pilgrimage took the form and they were doing the parikrama of Radhaji. And they were doing the stuti, which is called Radha Stuti. Munindra Vind Vandite Nikunja Bhu Vilas Brajendra Brajendra Sonu Sangate Kada Karikshasi Hamam Brajendra. So, getting the mercy of Radharani, how they are doing the Stuti. Karunam Kurumai Shrimati Radhika. She got pleased. Okay. Then all that pilgrimage. So they were giving their introduction and they filled up the Radha Kund. Krishna said, oh, okay, now your kund is filled up with water. Now I do one thing. What Krishna did? So that pilgrimage was filling up that kund, and so Krishna Vadi at the Sangam place, he make a hole with his flute there. And all the Krishna Kund waters enter into the Radha Kund. So all the Radha Kund and Sham Kund mix up. Then Gautiya took bath here. So this is the glory of Radha Kund. How beautiful is glory of that Radha Kund. So in this way, here it is describing. So the Premavati Goparamaniya, seeing the beautiful form of Krishna, they became unconscious. Which form? Gop? Allad. So Allad form. How beautiful form is the Allad form. This is incredible form, adorable form. Alladpan. Huh? क्या जी? Surdas used to say that who is naked, he is naked. Who can describe Krishna's beauty? In this world, maybe any lady, maybe ladies or gents, they are decorated themselves by the ornaments or well dresses. But Govind's beautifulness is not decorated by the ornaments. There is another alankar. One is another ornaments, which is called Bhav Alankar. Bhav Alankar. Ashesha Hava Bhava Har Bhushite. This is the kinds of Bhav which is called Vinshati Prakash Alankar. Hava Bhava Bhela Vichi Kinchit Tachinchit. This is called the Bhav Alankar. So,
सुंदर अलंकार क्या है?
so which is the topmost alankar, ornaments of Krishna or Radha? This is Bhav Alankar. Nana vid alankar kare jalamal hari man vimohan vadan ujjwal vishakadi sakhi gana nana rage gai priya narma sakhi yat chamar dhalai. Bhakti Vinod Thakur, the Kamal Manjali, how beautifully he has described this. Nana vid alankar kare jalamal.
एक तो
One,
अलंकार यही है,
one there is ornaments okay.
अलंकार अपने के सुशोभित से
So that ornaments thinking themselves they are fortunate, but actually Radha and other gopiyas,
थोड़ा श्रृंगार,
this 16 shringar of them, Radha, Vishnu, Vinshati,
20 प्रकार ये
Vinshati, 20 kinds of alankar. It is described in the scriptures.
है, ये समस्त वर्णन है, द्वादश आभरण क्या है,
Dwadash, what is Dwadash Avarana, what is Vinshati alankar?
ये समस्त जानना चाहिए,
We should know about all these things. Then we will come to know.
करे जलमल, हरि मनो विमोहन,
Vadan
हरि
Ujjwal.
के मन की भी
Who can steal the heart of Hari?
जिसको देख करके कृष्ण
And seeing that form, Krishna became so happy.
ये समस्त वर्णन जब उज्जवल मुनि गंतव्य
This is all described in Ujjwal Leemari very nicely. What is Hav, what is Bhav, which is Vichiti, which is Kinchit Bhav.
है, ये समस्त
This all kinds of description described in the Ujjwal Leemari.
कौन सा संचारी भावों के द्वारा कौन सा भाव संबंधित हो रहे हैं,
So what is Sanchari Bhav?
ये समस्त वर्णन है,
It is all described.
आप संबंधी
Bhav Utpatti, Bhav Sambandhi, Bhav Shavala, Bhav Shanti. There are 4 kinds of Bhav.
ये समस्त भावों की जो है उत्ताल तरंग के भांति
These all kinds of Bhav, just like a waves, they are going up and down. Hey Sakhi,
विधाता की सृष्टि के ऐसे कोई प्राणी
they continue, O Sakhi, in Vidhata's creation, there is no living entity who will not be charmed by the sights of sweetness of Ram's and Krishna's beauties. There are Ram Shabd is used for
समझ ना जाए
Balram.
जो कृष्ण के प्रति उनकी एकांतिक प्रेम प्रति है, और राम करने के साथ इसमें राम दोनों भाई के लिए है।
Ram is using for
जो है गोपन भाव क्या है?
Krishna, Balram here.
जो रमयति,
And the external meaning here, Ramyati, means
राधा रमन,
Radha Raman.
सदा
And Krishna always, how he
रमन कर,
do the Raman with Radha Rani. That's why his name became Ram, Radha Raman. Who always do Raman with Radha Rani. That's why his name became Ram, Radha Raman.
जब कृष्ण राधा जी के
When Krishna's sweetness is glorified so much, when Krishna with Radhika, he do the Raman.
रमे रमा सुंदरता वरिष्ठ सौंदर्य मोहित समस्त जगत जनस्य श्यामस्य वाम बद्धु राम ताम राम श्यामे रमा रमणम
Shame Rama Ramana Sundar.
राधा और कृष्ण की जब जुगल किशोर कृष्ण
When Radha and Yugal Kishore Krishna in the Ras Stari
क्या बोलते हैं
embraced,
गल भैया दे
when they used to keep embraced each other, they put the hands of each other's shoulders. At the time,
सौंदर्य
the sweetness and the madhurya of both of them, so you can leave the Vaikuntha, you can leave the Anantkoti Brahman, so you can, they are inferior all kinds of Lakshmi's opulences.
सौंदर्य मोहित समस्त जगत जनस्य समस्त जगत जन
In all the,
जन करने के अरे जितने वैकुंठ की रहने वाले थे
so the person who are staying in the Vaikuntha leave about this world, leave this world. So in this world we cannot compare the Saundarya Madhurya of Radha and Krishna. In this world we come to the Vaikuntha. In the Vaikuntha,
अपने अपने विमान वाहन में आ गए
are look, seeing the beauties seeing the beauties of Radha and Krishna, all the devtas, they came on his chariots, and on the halfway they got unconscious, they got fainted seeing the beauty.
और इसने और काम में विमोहित होकर के पति के सामने वो भी दोनों ही मुच्छादित कर गए
Kaun?
गोविंद की दर्शन संभव राधा जी देवियां
So all the Devis, so the wives of Devta, they got a little bit sight of the glance of the feet of the nails of the feet of Radharani. All the devtas, they started moving to see the darshan of Govinda Ras Leela. Okay, we will go to take the darshan of Ras Leela. So without the gopi body, it's not possible to take darshan. Krishna is Gop Jati, Angikar. Without the Gop Jati, he will not accept anybody. Krishna won't accept anybody. What is the meaning here? You have to take the birth in the Vraj. Not in the human, not in the gent's body, in the lady's body, gopi body. So you have to take the association of Nitya Siddha gopis, and what kind of, and you will have affection, anurag with them, and that will be mature. Then maybe by that mercy of that gopijan, you can enter into the Ras Leela. It is not easy to enter into the Ras Leela. So, topmost Saundarya Madhurya of Radha Krishna is when manifested when they are in the Ras Leela, when they are embracing each other and putting the hands of each other's shoulders. This is all decorated and served by the Manjaris and the Ashtasakhis, Sapaksh, Vipaksh, Tathastha. It is only possible for Sapaksh. It is not possible by the against Chandravali. Chandravali is aside from this Ras Leela. She is bypassed. She is not entered. She don't got the pass to enter into the Ras Leela. Go away from here. Not Tathastha, not Swedha Paksha. Only who have the affection towards Radharani, Ashtasakhis and the Ramni and the Manjaris. So that's why Bhaktivinoda Thakur is doing the Kirtan. Yamuna Puli ne Kadam Kani ne Ye Dekhinu Sakhina Ashtadalapari. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur, the Kamal Manjari, so with the transcendental eyes he has took the darshan. It's not like this, just he has taken the pen and he has written. No. He took the darshan himself, Kamal Manjari, Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Then he wrote. Pasravan. What is the meaning of Pasravan? Just like from the mountains, the drains, the waterfalls comes from to the ground. In the Canada there is a huge mountain, and from that mountains there are waterfall is coming from the downs on the land. So the flowing of that water is just like a Krishna Leela Prasavan. So it is describing like that. Many kinds of pastime is coming into the mind. They are taking darshan of many kinds of leelas of Krishna. Dharavat, just like a mountains, stream, waterfall. है ना? Krishna Leela Parswan means just like streaming like the waterfall. Shiromari. And in the MS what is there? Radha and Krishna. All are surrounded by the Manjaris and Gopis, and in the amidst, in the beach, in the middle there is Radha and Krishna. This is the beautiful form of them. This is also described in Radha Kund. All over the around the Radha Kund, there are Ashtasakhi Kunjas also there. And beside them, Ashtasakhi's Kunj, the Manjari's Kunj. And in the middle, which is called Shamananda Sukhad Kunj, which is called Anang Manjari Kunj. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur told the following of Anang Manjari's Parakashta. We know Rup Manjari and Rati Manjari, Rup Goswami and Sanatan Goswami, but Anang Manjari, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he described a lot of about Anang Manjari. So when Anang Manjari will give her mercy so that we can remind that past time.
और अनंग मंजरी के सेवा की माधुर्यता संवेदनता ऊपर क्योंकि जहाँ पर लौकिक सद्बंधुवत प्रीति होता है
Because there are Lokik Sadbandhuvat Priti, in this world we have seen
माता अपने बच्चे को जितना स्नेह करते हैं
see the mother who has so much love, affection towards his child, she doesn't love other's child. Maybe externally she shows many how,
वो ये एक विशेष वैशिष्ट्य है
because there is a speciality in that, because she has a relationship with his son. You are loving your son. You cannot love like that to another sons.
दूसरे के बेटा को गोद भी ले
Even you can take another son on the lap,
वो आएगा ही
but he won't come. That kinds of love won't come.
ये जो बच्चे को
Because when lady give the birth to his child after carrying him in the womb, because now she is remembering all, because she has attachments. What's your son's name?
क्या बोले
Vrindavan.
प्रीति है कि नहीं
You have so much love and affection towards your child or not?
भूल नहीं चिंतन रहे
You cannot forget that. So this is the example of Mike words, this Jar Jagat.
इसको गोद ले
If somebody's on his lap, thinking that okay, he's like a son, so this is just like imposing. This is just external. It's not internally. He is just like your son. He is not your son because your blood group is different. DNA test. DNA is different.
हमारे अलग है
Your group is different. Blood group is different.
ताकि पुत्र कन्या की स्नेह उदय अपने
So that snake comes spontaneous. Maybe people can say like,
मैं एक बार ऐसे कहा किया
once I said this,
एक लड़की
one lady, she was crying a lot. I asked what happened.
मेरे बाद में चला पता चला उसके बेटा नहीं था
And when I asked that what happened, so she said, I didn't have son. I didn't give the birth to my son. I just adopted him.
वो दिखा पड़ी है
I said just on the katha,
जानते हो ये भी रोता है
crow also cries sometime. But actually they are not crying. They are just pretending.
कोई भी ज्यादा भी अधिक दिखा वो सब पुतला के भांति है
So if somebody shows so much love, pretending to be so much lover, so it is just like Putana. Pushna showed so much love.
कन्या की जो स्नेह जो है
So mothers and their child's love between them, no one can love like a parents. No one can love like a parents, real mother father. So that's why I told you in the Rath Yatra Prasang that Gopiyas are saying, you can forget us. It is not, it is ordinary. Krishna, they are teasing to Krishna and saying like this, Yashoda Devi.
माँ को कैसे भूली
How you can forget the Yashoda, your mother?
मुनि रोटी सुदुष्करम
Muni api Sudushkaram, many, it is not possible to the great saint.
अब तुम कैसे
And how you can forget her?
गोपियाँ ताना मारती करने ठीक है, अमर के साथ जो प्रेम
Gopis are teasing to Krishna and saying in this way,
माना जाए गोपियाँ
Gopis,
उसी प्रकार करने
they are saying in this way, Krishna, you can forget us, it is normal, but how you can forget your mother?
कहते हैं, आज मेरा प्रेम खा ली किंतु अपने माता पिता
Maybe you are loving us for today, tomorrow you can forget, but how you can forget the love of your mother? Yashoda,
कहते हैं मुनि रोटी
Sudurlava.
बड़े बड़े मुनि लोगों को भी
It is rare, it is not possible to the big saint. It is not possible by the sannyasis.
हर कृष्ण तुम ऐसी कैसे
And how Krishna you can do this?
तुम्हारे लिए माँ
How you can be so hard-hearted?
रोते रोते अंध समा बैठल
How your heart becomes like a stone?
जैसे क्या हो गया,
Pasha.
अंधा हो गया। रोते रोते उनकी मानव दृष्टि शक्ति, ऐसे माता पिता की तुम कैसे हैं? पिता के तुम विस्मरण पूरा।
Maybe you can forget your father, but how you can forget your mother? It is not possible.
मेरे कहने के उसी प्रकार है।
So what's my mean to say here?
संबंध है।
They have a blood relationship.
अनंग मंजरी के साथ
Anang Manjari.
एक संबंध है। यहाँ पर लोक
So
लीला हम वर्णन करते हैं।
if we are describing the Lokik Leela, Anang Manjari, she has a relationship with Radha Rani, and she has a mamta with Anang Manjari. It cannot be possible by others.
अनंग मंजरी सदा भैया मोरे दिखाई में दुहे प्रेम राशि है। कीर्तन भक्तों का होता है।
In the Kirtan, Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying,
ये अनंग मंजरी
this Anang Manjari,
प्रसन्न होकर के
if she please upon me,
और राधा जन्म ऐसी प्रेम राशि को आप मुझे समझ
if she please upon me and give her mercy so that I can enter and get the remembrance of pastime of Radha Krishna and get the service of them.
एक लाइन भक्तों को ने
So in the Kirtan, Bhaktivinoda Thakur wrote one line.
मंजरी के अनुगत्य की सेवा जो है पति को दिखलाओ।
So the taking the shelter of Anang Manjari's feet, it is very rare. It is not possible for everyone.
गोपनीय तत्व है।
This is very hidden, confidential thing.
समझ में नहीं आए।
No one can understand all these things. No. We are Rupanag. No. It's true that we are serving under the guidance of Rupa Goswami, Rupa Manjari, in the many Pandit society.
साक्षात रूप की जो है मानो साक्षात मुक्त मान क्या है? इनको मंजरी
So Rupa Manjari is the manifestation of Radhika.
प्रेम स्वरूपे दैत्य स्वरूपे है प्रेम स्वरूपे सतान रूपे सहाजा स्वरूपे ये सब कितना सुंदर सब विलास है। किंतु थोड़ा बहुत हम अलग करके अनंग मंजरी की तरफ आगे
If you little bit mold ourselves towards Anang Manjari,
विचार करें,
then we will think
हैं? ये सब बस बोलना नहीं है।
that we will think.
हैं?
Let him speak.
शब्द की जो अर्थ है
So Anang means, what is the meaning of Anang?
वो एक अपूर्व शब्द
This is Apurva. We think that mic words, mic philosophy, but Anang Manjari. How beautiful sweetness in the name Anang. That's why Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he just described this in one word.
अनंग मंजरी के अनुगत्य में
Under the guidance of Anang Manjari and serving the Radhaji, this is incredible, this is adorable. It is not possible for everybody. Under the guidance of Anang Manjari and serving of Radha, and if Anang Manjari mercy is on somebody, then what to say about that?
इसमें स्वयं वो जो मैंने कहा राधा
As I told you, in the middle of the Radha Kund, there is a kunj, Shanand Sukda Kunj, which is called Anang Manjari Kunj. This is Apurva Kunj. It is described also.
हमारे विश्वनाथ
Our Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad in the Shri Krishna Bhavanavat Granth,
अभी बुद्धतमा
he has discloses very beautiful things there. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur, the Kamal Manjari, he has described all. Krishna Bhavanamrit.
है जो पुनः काफी सभी हाँ अभी
They used to say, O Sakhi, in Vidhada's creation, there is no loving entity who will not be charmed by the sight of sweetness of Ram's and Krishna's beauty, which attracts the entire universe. When Krishna plays a melody of his enchanting murli, together the cows who are far away, the condition he creates is difficult to describe. When the tinkling of the ankle bells of Krishna's lotus feet mixes with the inexpressively melodious sound of his captivating murlis, the sweetness of that sound increases even more. Is there any reason who can remain composed upon hearing this? While discussing Krishna's enchanting cowherd attire and the sound of his flute, the Brajnavami, who helplessly impressed in prem, says, O Sakhi, upon seeing Krishna's Niryoga and Pasa, it seems that they really are Niryoga Pasa. Through them, yoga meeting is certain to take place uninterruptedly. So we will discuss about tomorrow.
निर्जोग और पास के द्वारा जो सुशोभित है,
The Krishna is decorated by the Niryoga and Pasa. There is a deep philosophy also is there.
वेश धारण कर
Whatever the Krishna used to take form, so there is a speciality in that also. We will describe this tomorrow. God Hari Hari Bol.